Hi friends, a warm welcome to this channel and Microsoft Word playlist. Microsoft Word is essential for crafting professional documents and seamless communication in today's age. After watching this playlist, you will be able to use Microsoft Word effectively like a pro. Ready to embark this exciting journey? Let's dive in. So in this video, we will see the layout of Microsoft Word. As you can see, we have multiple tabs available in Microsoft Word: Home tab, Insert tab, Draw, and many other tabs, References, and all of these tabs. So these tabs are actually very useful, and this area is called a ribbon. So in ribbon, we have groups, okay? So we have Insert ribbon, we have Draw ribbon, and this is the Home ribbon. So this is a specific group. It is written here clipboard, and this is font and paragraph. So these are groups within ribbon. So in a specific group, we have tools available for specific purpose. So this is the font group, and here is the launch button. So in launch button, we have two types of tools available: the basic tools and the advanced tools. Here you can see a few of these tools are available in the font group, but by using the launch button, we can utilize the advanced options. Okay. Then we have our quick access toolbar. So this is quick access toolbar. Here we have few options available: save, redo, and undo. And this is the search bar. We can search any tool from here as well. And this right here is the vertical scroll bar. So we can use this from here, and we have buttons available as well. So we can press these buttons in order to scroll up or scroll down. And here we have zoom options. If you want to zoom in some specific page or some specific area, you can use zoom in and zoom out from here. And we have plus and minus buttons for this zoom command. Okay. Then we have multiple options for the layout. This is the web layout, and if something you have written and you want to paste it on some website, so how it will look like this. Okay, so you can visualize like this. And this is the print layout, which is the default. If you want to print some document, it will look like this. And we have these read mode as well. If you want to read some document, then this is the read, and this is the focus mode. So we have multiple layouts in Microsoft Word. In order to get out of this specific mode, you can press the escape button on your keyboard. And then we have two types of rulers available. This is the horizontal ruler, and this is the vertical ruler. Some dimensions are written on them, so we will see these rulers in our advanced videos. So these are the basic layout of the Microsoft Word. We will figure it out more details in our upcoming videos, and in our next video we will see how to open a new Word document, how to open an existing document, and how to edit it. Thanks for watching.